Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these black forest cookies. Where to begin? Grab yourself a mixing bowl and into the mixing bowl place your butter, your light brown sugar and your granulated white sugar and beat the three together until they are lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. This should take between 5 and 7 minutes ish depending on the speed, but then once it's lighter and fluffier and it's all combined you'll get this kind of light brown colour which is perfect. You can then go ahead and give your bowl a good scraping down just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. Then you can add in your eggs one at a time, beating well in between each addition, but also add in the vanilla and just mix until everything has been fully incorporated, and you will notice that the mixture does loosen, but don't worry, this is completely normal. Once the other egg has been fully incorporated, you can give the bowl a good scraping down just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in. Then you can go ahead and sift in your dry ingredients. I always sift them in with cookies because cocoa powder and flour are known for having lumps in them, and if these lumps don't break down when you're mixing, you can end up with a mouthful of flour or cocoa powder, which isn't pleasant, so using a sieve just removes them lumps, which is perfect. You can then go ahead and add in the white chocolate and fold everything together until all the dry ingredients along with the wet ingredients and the chocolate have all been fully incorporated. It may take a couple of minutes to get perfect, but be careful not to over mix the mixture at this point. So for the cookies you'll want to get yourself some lined baking trays. I found that 2 was the perfect amount, and your cookie dough, and get a scoop and scoop up 2 scoops of dough for each cookie. Flatten them slightly and then fill in the centre of one of the cookie dough balls with some of the cherry jam, placing the other on top, securing it in place, rolling it around just briefly, and then place onto a baking tray, and you'll want to repeat this for the remainder of your dough. Then once you've got your cookie dough on a tray, you'll want to flatten it slightly. Then using a cookie cutter, which will be very clean, rounded edge, you'll just want to round them off, and I prefer to do this, just helps them bake a bit more consistently. As always, I will leave a recipe link in the description down below, so don't forget to go and check that out if you are interested in this recipe, and it will include all the baking times and everything you need. So once your cookies have baked and they are fresh out of the oven, while they're still hot, you'll want to place a cherry or half a cherry into the centre of each cookie, followed by some white chocolate. And I just found that this white chocolate adds the creaminess that you'd get from the cream on a black forest gâteau, but in cookie form you don't want to add cream. And then a bit of dark chocolate is what you'd get the grated chocolate on the outside of a gâteau, so the dark chocolate is there for that. But then you are done. You can enjoy these while they're still warm, as they are perfect while warm, or you can allow them to cool and they're just as good once they've fully cooled down. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again next week with some more videos for you, so join me then. But in the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog and all of my social media, so don't forget to go and follow me over there. That's all for this week. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.